Hello friends, get ready for general dictation. Okay, start. Sir, I am glad that with regard to the other provisions, this bill has followed the Factories Act. I am glad that all the good provisions of the Factories Act have been incorporated in this bill at the very outset. We have got the experience that the provisions of the Factories Act were applied even in the case of mines after a long time. We had to wait for a long time even for the application of overtime rules under the Factories Act. I am glad that provisions relating to wages, hours of work, overtime, etc. have been made applicable and that the workers in the road transport industry will have the advantage of all these facilities which have been allowed under the Factories Act from the start. I may, however, point out that in Chapter 5 dealing with hours and limitation of employment provision has been made that workers could be relieved after rendering 10 hours duty. This provision appears to me extraordinary. I know the difficulties of the road transport industry. The conditions of working are quite different from ordinary factories. They have to work all the 24 hours and it is very difficult to stipulate anything so far as hours of work are concerned. But still, I may submit that nowhere in no industry the working hours prescribed are more than 9 hours. So this will have to be taken into consideration while considering the working hours of workers in the road transport industry para. With regard to Chapter 7, Wages and Leave, I am glad that provision for overtime has been made in accordance with the Factories Act. I have to observe that though Clause 29 of this bill is a copy of Section 79 of the Factories Act, some of the explanations and provisions which have been made only to clarify the position and not to add to the facilities or advantages have been omitted. The provisions are about the system of estimates of wages, etc. Those provisions may also be included in the present bill. Then, sir, some observations were made by some members. One of them was that the Payment of Wages Act does not apply to these workers. I submit that it does apply and Clause 27 of this bill provides for it. There were some other observations also that some other facilities like health insurance and other things have not been provided. I hope that the State Insurance Act will be made applicable to the workers. If it is not applicable or if it cannot be applied in the present form, necessary amendment may be made. Stop. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिए। थैंक यू।